10th Mathematics, exercise 1.2, first question. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 7 and B is equal to 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Which of the following are relation from A to B? So in that first subdivision, R1 is equal to 2, 1, 7, 1. Before going to R1, we will find A cross B. So A cross B is equal to, write your A, it is 1, 2, 3, 7 cross B is 3, 0, minus 1, 7. So the answer is, you will have to write your ordered pairs, open your set bracket, your element in A has to be joined with these four elements. So first element will join with this, so you will have 1, 3, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 7. Next second element 2 has to be joined with these four elements. It is 2, 3, 2, 0, 2, minus 1, 2, 7. Then 3 has to be joined with all these four elements. So it is 3, 3, 3, 0, 3, minus 1 and 3, 7. Next 7 has to be joined with all these four elements. So 7, 3, 7, 0, 7, minus 1, 7, 7. So once we have completed A cross B, so we will just write our first subdivision. It is R1 is equal to 2, 1, 7, 1. So check whether this elements, that is the ordered pairs of R1, is there in your A cross B. So check it whether this 2, 1 is there in A cross B. So 2, 1, 2, minus 1 only is there. So 2, 1 is not there. Then 7, 1 we'll have to check it. So 7, 1, again it is not there. So both these ordered pairs are not there in A cross B. So you can declare as R1 does not belong to A cross B. Therefore, R1 is not a relation from A to B. Second subdivision, R2 is equal to minus 1, 1. So again check it over there in your A cross B, that is minus 1, 1. But we have got only 1, minus 1. So it is entirely different. Minus 1, 1 we needed, but 1, minus 1 is there. So you can declare as R2 does not belong to A cross B. Therefore, R2 is not a relation from A to B. Third subdivision, R3 is equal to 2, minus 1, 7, 7, 1, 3. So we will check whether R3 it is there. 2, minus 1 it is here. 7, 7 here it is there. 1, 3 it is here. So we can declare as R3 is a subset because it belongs to the ordered pair of A cross B. So you can write R3 is a subset of A cross B. Therefore, R3 is a relation from A to B. Fourth subdivision, R4, 7, minus 1, 0, 3, 3, 3, 0, 7. So again we will check it. 7, minus 1 it is here. 0, 3 it is not there, only 3, 0 is there. 3, 3 we have got it here. 0, 7 Again it is not there because 7 comma 0 only is there. So 7 comma minus 1 is there, 0 comma 3 is not there. So 0 comma 3 and 0 comma 7 does not belong to A cross B. R4 does not belong to A cross B. Therefore, R4 is not a relation from A to B. So this is the answer for first question. Second question, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 45 it is given, and R be the relation defined as a square of. Your condition is given is square of on A. Write R as a subset of A cross A. Also find the domain and range of R. So they are given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 45, and they have given one condition. So first we'll write A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. up to 45 it is given, and given your condition is square of on A it is given, and what you'll have to find is write R as a subset of A cross A. So we'll just write R. They have given you it should be a subset of A cross A using this condition as a square of. Okay, so first A you can pick out from this number 1. The square of 1 has to be taken. So it is 1 comma 1. Then 2, the square of 2 is 4. Then 3, square of 3 is 9. 4, square of 4 is 16. 5, square of 5 is 25. Then 6, square of 6 is 36. But if you go to 7 means it will go to 7 sevens are 49. Square of 7 is 49. But they have given up to 45 only. So we'll just stop with this. So this is your R, which is a subset of A cross A. So we have just found the first part. Now going to a domain and range. Domain is nothing but your first element in your A. Clear? So all these elements, that is the first elements are called domain and the second elements are called range. So all these elements are called domain. So we'll just write domain. They have asked you to find domain. Domain is equal to, write all the element, first elements. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you'll have to find the range. Range is nothing but the second elements of your ordered pair. So it is again 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. So this is your range. So this is the answer for your second question. Third question. A relation R is given by the set x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 3 and x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it is given. Determine its domain and range. So condition is given in your set builder format here. So you'll have to write your ordered pair, that is x comma y. But the condition is given y should be x equal to x plus 3. So first we'll write it as given. Just we'll write the condition first. Y is equal to x plus 3. And they have given you x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you'll have to do is just take these values, that is the value of x, you have to take it for each value and find the value of y first. Okay, so y is equal to, first value is 0. So 0 plus 3 which is equal to 3. Then the second value, again I'll write it as, when x is equal to, we'll just write here, when x is equal to 0. First value we are taking 0. The second value when x is equal to 1 we'll have to take it. So y will become 1 plus 3 which is equal to 4. Then the next value when x is equal to The next value from here it is 2. So y is equal to, substitute 2 in the place of x here. So 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5. Now when x is equal to 3, again substitute 3 in your equation what is given over there. So 3 plus 3 which is equal to 6. So when x is equal to, next value it is 4. So y is equal to 4 plus 3 which is equal to 7. When x is equal to 5, that is your last value. So substitute 5 in your given equation. So y is equal to 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8. Now what you will have to do is just write your r. That is r is your relation they have asked you. So we will just write it in your ordered pairs. Okay, so first value 0 and the answer you will have to pick it up. Same way 1 for the answer, 2 the answer, 3 the answer, like that. Okay, so it is 0, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 8. So from here the next subdivision is domain and range they have asked you. So we will write the domain. Domain is equal to all the first elements in your R. So that is, open your set bracket, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then range, nothing but your answer what you got it. So otherwise your second elements in your R you can write it. So it is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the answer for your third question.